The DJI Flip drone offers an exciting and versatile flying experience, packed with unique features that make it stand out from other drones in its class. While it may not match the advanced tracking capabilities of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the Flip has its own charm and practicality, especially for casual drone enthusiasts. Here's my take on its performance and features. Infrared-based frontal follow mode. The DJI Flip comes equipped with a reliable infrared sensor for frontal tracking. Unlike the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which boasts advanced obstacle detection with side and rear sensors, the Flip relies primarily on its forward-facing system. Despite this, it handled itself well during our walk, avoiding obstacles like peach tree twigs with precision, even in winter when the branches are bare and intricate. Droney fun and quick deployment. No drone session is complete without a good droney. The DJI Flip makes this especially easy. It's ready to fly within moments of unpacking. Its quick setup is a major advantage, especially compared to more complex models. Performance during bicycle rides. While testing the drone's follow mode during a bike ride, I started with the close follow setting. The Flip kept up admirably, maintaining stable footage and smooth tracking. Video quality and stability. The Flip's camera delivered impressive results despite the challenges of a windy day. The footage was clear, smooth, and vibration-free, proving that the cartwheel propeller design can hold its own, even in less than ideal conditions. Some reviews have criticized this design for potential stability issues, but I found no problems during my test. On the return trip, I switched to a farther and higher setting, giving the drone more freedom to capture wider shots. Both modes worked well, showcasing the drone's adaptability and ease of use. Milo's perspective. As always, my loyal Jack Russell Terrier, Milo, joined the adventure. While he wasn't thrilled about the high-pitched noise from the propellers, his company added to the fun. Milo's reactions remind me that drone noise is something to consider if you're flying around pets or wildlife. Comparisons and conclusion. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is undeniably more advanced in obstacle sensing and tracking, but the Flip compensates with simplicity and versatility. While some users might argue that the hover drone offers better stability, the Flip shines as a two-in-one drone that combines capable tracking with a great camera. I'm not a drone guru, but the DJI Flip is undeniably fun and practical. It's a drone you can grab, fly, and enjoy without much hassle. Whether capturing dynamic action shots or weaving through peach tree branches, the Flip delivers a solid performance that's sure to please most hobbyists.